We begin with a developing story. A man who the police believe was involved in the murder of a TikToker in St. James was among 3 people fatally shot during an early morning operation in a community known as Orange District in the parish. The police reportedly came under heavy gunfire while carrying out the operation around 6 o'clock. 3 firearms were recovered.
Police raid linked to a TikToker's murder. Vybz Kartel spilling the tea on his past drama with Popcaan and his response to YouTuber Sir P, and a heated debate about the direction of Jamaica's entertainment scene. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about a dramatic shootout that went down early Tuesday morning in St. James. According to a midday report from TVJ News, the police raided a premises targeting a suspect connected to the murder of 41 Busshead, a TikTok personality. Tragically, 3 men were killed during the raid, and one of them is believed to have ties to the murder of 41 Busshead. This comes just 13 days after Naya Gang death, another TikTok personality who was killed under similar circumstances. Both men went live on TikTok shortly before their deaths, raising the question, is social media playing a role in these killings? National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chong has been vocal about the possibility of gang retaliation, but assures the public that law enforcement is stepping up efforts to curb this violence.
I'm concerned whenever any Jamaican is killed. And I have particular concern in St. James Day, because I've been pretty quiet for the last 3 months, I'd say. In fact, since the peak in May, St. James Police have been doing excellent work in holding the element of homicide down. We have some other issues like traffic and general public disorder to deal with, but they are focused heavily on the homicide, and it has worked. But last night, killing is opening up the potential of a gang conflict, which we are aware of, and I've asked, and I know the police is going to take every step to prevent the kind of retaliation and war that could break up between 2 gangs in Montego Bay. They will move aggressively and hard to, I said, disrupt any of that. I think this TikToker is related to someone who is considered a leader in the underworld in Montego Bay, which is purely coincidental. You know, Jamaicans enjoy the social media space. We are talkers, and therefore we enjoy social media, and a lot of Jamaicans on social media everywhere. So I don't think there's any systematic attempt to silence any member of it from any angle at all. But in this case, I said he is related to, indirectly, to elements that are currently in conflict in the community. And we are taking steps to manage that, effectively manage that, and deal with the problem. My guidance to police move as strong as they think is necessary, and I give them the support that is required.
But what do you think? Are these TikTok murders a direct result of social media, or is it all just a case of gang politics spilling over? Let's talk about it in the comments. Moving on to another major story, 2 TikTok personalities from St. Catherine, Jai, also known as Figure It Out, and Akeem, aka Handsome Gunman, were recently taken into police custody for questioning about the death of fellow TikToker, Naya Gang, who was tragically killed on December 7th. Reports suggest that this investigation stems from a heated argument between Jai, Akeem, and Naya during a live stream, which happened shortly before Naya's death. Both Jai and Akeem have taken to social media to deny any involvement in the killing. They shared a photo of themselves along with a news report about their arrest, along with a statement in which they maintain their innocence. It's been a roller coaster since the passing of Naya, and I continue to proclaim my innocence. The police got involved and carried out their work to ensure we don't have anything to do with this passing. They also expressed regret over their actions, admitting that their words may have contributed to the situation. I've learned the hard way that what I say can come back to haunt me. We just want to apologize to the TikTok community and offer our condolences to his family. On December 19th, the police conducted a raid in Passage Fort, Portmore, as part of their investigation. They seized a Jaguar and several other vehicles, which has only added more fuel to this growing mystery. As expected, social media reactions are flooding in. Some users are defending Jai and Akeem, with one commenter saying, "I know you and your family didn't hurt Naya. It's his own people from his place and his own words that led to this. Faith is the key. Another person echoed similar sentiments, suggesting that the real culprits might be closer to Naya than anyone realizes. So, here's the big question for you. Do you think Jai and Akeem are being unfairly targeted because of their online presence? Or do you think their actions, whether intentional or not, played a role in this tragic event? And what about the police raid and the seized vehicles? Does that add credibility to the investigation or just add confusion? Let's get the conversation going in the comments. Now let's switch gears and talk about the Gaza Nation. Vybz Kartel has been spilling some serious tea about his fallout with Popcaan. In a recent interview on the Fix podcast, Kartel opened up about the tension that began back in 2011 after his incarceration. Apparently, Popcaan signed with producer Patrick Roberts without consulting Kartel, which didn't sit well with the dancehall star, especially seeing Popcaan making the announcement on TV while Kartel was behind bars. Kartel also cleared the air about the lyrics in his song, where they mentioned not trusting Popcaan. He insists that it wasn't meant to cause drama, but was simply an expression of how they felt at the time. However, don't get it twisted. Kartel confirmed that the two have since patched things up, and their relationship goes way beyond music. And then there's Sir P, the YouTuber who's made a name for himself as one of Kartel's harshest critics. Kartel didn't hold back, calling Sir P irrelevant and dismissing his claims as mere noise. In fact, when Sir P accused Kartel of trying to harm Popcaan, both artists apparently found it laughable. So, let's ask you this. Do you think Sir P's criticisms are valid? Or is he just trying to stir up controversy for views? Is Kartel's explanation about Popcaan's fallout enough to smooth things over? Or is there more to the story? Let's discuss in the comments. Lastly, let's talk about the future of Jamaica's entertainment scene. Fuda Hype has been vocal about how some events are straying from the traditional roots of the culture. All eyes are now on Bounty Killer's upcoming show, with fans wondering if it will get the same support as newer events that seem to be taking over the scene. So, is this really about preserving the culture, or is it just another case of stirring unnecessary division in the entertainment industry? I want to hear your thoughts.
Me I go see
Drop a
if
comment
Jamaica
below.
straight. Because from a day, every person where them question if them are shit in a plate, keep party it ram. Every party where somebody questionable, them keep party with them. Meaning say either them a say the person a lesbian or the person a do the man, them party ram. Now, me see the great youth. Cause me I say great youth, I'm in a business who want chat and say a friend me a beg or not. Me see the great youth. Bounty Killer. I keep Bounty Killer and friends. I think at the 3rd of January. Me I go watch if it a go sell off. Me I go watch if it a go ram. Me I go watch if the artists them I go up, they go support Bounty Killer whether you book or you don't book. Cause when the shit in a plate, people them a keep party. Me see artists go there whether them book or not. And find them way up there. Me I go see if Uno I go support Bounty Killer as a straight man, as a legend, as a man who boss whole heap of artists, as a man who do so much great things in the music. Me a open me eye and look and see if Uno go support Bounty like how Uno support the shit in a plate people them. Uno got tired to hear my voice, you know. Cause me a watching you know. You know never know. Uno never know that. Me a watch and see the support Uno go give Bounty Killer. Cause Bounty Killer different straightness. Bounty Killer different moral values. Bounty Killer boss and help whole heap of people. Bounty Killer not itch for help people. And you never hear say Bounty Killer beat one of them artists them yet. Or do them nothing or force them to sign or nothing like that. So me I go watch. Cause me notice say Jamaica is a good batty country. Me notice it, me see it. Me see say Jamaica has become a batty country. Even the fans them turn batty people. So me, I gotta sit down and watch if we now go support Bounty Killer. Cause every shaky people party ram. Them they have to promote it hard. From them put out flyer ram. And me see artists when a book, artists when them no look upon them no want to see, take up themselves and God is sure them go sing. And sing for free. So me I go see if una go suffer Bounty Killer or una go support Bounty Killer. Una not understand me I say. Una not see say when straight people keep party, the people them not support it. But as somebody where them say a lesbian or somebody where them say a doodle man keep party black. You know a place to put people. And at the same time, the artists them we claim say them a bad man. We claim say them thuggish. We claim say them straight go there and perform for free. Go there and perform for free. For the doodle people. So Bounty Killer, we do so much greatness for dancehall. Of course Killer is not perfect, and me and Killer war to everything. But we still have to look upon it say, Bounty Killer, theme contribution to music, theme contribution to dancehall, theme contribution to morals in Jamaica. A man will hold it out, lose visa for England, Canada, all both, and hold it. I go see if Jamaica I go look past Bounty Killer show. Which artists me expect for their Bounty Killer show? All of them. Once you're in Jamaica and you don't have a show that night elsewhere, you forgot Bounty Killer party and you have to sing. Whether Bounty did help you or not, because him help somebody will help you. All of them forgot Bounty party. Every one of them. Because I see them I go do the man party and do the girl party. And I perform free. And I sing for free. And I jump up and I look for 15 for free. Me, I go see. Cause me kinda lose faith in a Jamaica already, you know. A little bit of straight people left a Jamaica, you know. Cause some people don't understand. So you know have to actually take part in the act of being a doodle man, you know. But if you support the doodle people them, you're contributing to their dominance. So me want to see which artists now go support Killer, whether you're up on flyer or not, whether Killer call you and invite you or not. Me want to see that. Brother, me and you never come, and me and girl come. Don't say me and you come from far, me and you come from nowhere. And me and my baby mother them come. Me I say this, and this is not a beg friend thing. This is just respect and Killer fi get him flowers and get him ratings. You see me I say? You see me I say? So
that is foot hype, you know. And as we say, based on the amount of contribution where Bounty Killer do towards dancehall in terms of helping out youths and, you know, make youth become star and help other youth to become star and so forth. Yeah, Bounty Killer party should sell out effortlessly still. But you don't know, as Foota say, landscape change and, you know, if you not do certain things, people now flock to your thing and so forth. But hopefully, as it relates to Bounty Killer, him have a good turnout time thing still. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And outside of that, him would have chose some shades cargo where basically I say, you know, him now address cargo. A fan would have come up and I say, your cargo, I say this and say that. And he is saying that him now address cargo, my people. You see what I say? Yeah, man. And also, him would have send out a warning to Agent Sasko stating that when he come on to Agent Sasko stage show him to ensure Lila Ike no dey on the else him a go face major backlash.
Killer, Jamaica fi come out na them numbers and go support Bounty Killer. Cause we support do people. Yeah, man. A footer hype, man. AKA Straight Nation boss. AKA the New World boss. AKA the Viral King. You see me? So people wanna listen the lineup. You have Sting December 26. Then after that you have some little party when I really all that. Then you have the 31st at Freedom Street. Agent Sasko show the 29th of December. Big up Agent Sasko. I hope you don't make Lila Ike go up on a stage there now. Big up Sasko. Him show the 29th. He's not a mix-up man. He's not a man of deal with drama. But me I tell you this, Sasko. Protect your career. Protect your integrity. Don't make Lila Ike go up on a stage there. Else you'll get a backlash. Me just I tell you. Can't say we not tell you as a brother. Don't make Lila Ike touch that stage. Tell her say you're not jeopardize our show for she. You can sing the whole I song. You know if you make she come sing, you can sing the whole I song. You can sing for your part and your part. Try keep her away from your good show. You see me? Are your good show. Somebody will be sarcastic and say, police shape Toyota Joe and Skets buy you. No man never buy me nothing. No man never buy me nothing. Joe and Skets never buy me nothing. Me work. Me get paid for work and go buy me car. Then you can listen madman man. You can listen a man when I like him mother. Why you always come to me with them? Me no want hear. You don't notice me no pay some people no mind. You no realize me ignore some people. From your ear a man say. Him not like him mother. When me can argue with him say. Me no want to argue with him, not have no conversation with him. Although my mother did and gone, me love her and respect my mother. You must be crazy. No man, them announced the venue man. I think Ronnie Williams killer show keep or something, me no remember good. You understand? Me no listen to people where now have no self-value and no moral dignity and them no know what they want them all over the place like chicken without a head. Me no depend that. You notice some people, no matter how they call my name, I will never answer them. You understand? Yeah, so me I watch Jamaica now and me want to see if them are going to support Bounty Killer as a straight man, as a legend, as OD, out of distinction, as a man who bust the most artists in Jamaica. You understand? Because you know people will understand. Even if you say Gaza, an alliance you say. If you say JOP, an alliance you say. If you say Gully, an alliance you say. No joke. Yeah, Sabina Park killer show Akeem. So no matter if you say Gully or Gaza, you have to say Bounty Killer. Because a Bounty bus Gully and a Bounty bus Gaza. If a busy signal of your artist, you have to say Alliance. If a elephant man of your artist, you have to say Alliance. If a nitty cut your artist, you have to say alliance. Killer is the man. And if you say Bounty Killer, you must say Beanie Man. So all Beanie Man fans are Bounty Killer fans too. Remember Bounty and Beanie share the same fans them. You understand? So me, I watch Jamaican people them. To see if I only shaky people, them want support. Can me see a thing I go on from one day where as one dude man or one lesbian girl keep a party black. Ram in a seconds. Money I spend, cabana buy buckles pan buckles. So me I go watch if I hungry straight people do not support. This Bounty Killer and Friends show ya is the real testimony to tell you if Jamaica gone to the dogs for good. If you say Bling Dog a Bounty Killer, you say. If you say Wayne Marshall a Bounty, you say. A Bounty responds to the whole business. The whole new generation a Bounty. So I want to see the support we Killer go get. Especially from the artists them. Because I see artists will charge all $1 million show. I go perform a do the people show free. If Muda Clash matter round up for the what you mean? What you mean, why not? He have more dub than me, but me have the one them where I go kill him. I know how much dub you have, you know. And the one them will work. You understand? People their money might done. When people go to Jamaica, their money not done. When people go to Jamaica for Christmas time and holiday, them come to Obama, them work and carry their money go to Jamaica. 10 people where go to Jamaica for the holiday, then can go to every show and them now broke. Then can go to everyone I party them. And every cookout and them still now broke. Top Striker, big up, you know. You understand me I say? But me, I go see if shaking is take over Jamaica. Me I watch for see the support we Killer as a straight man.